Hey YouTube, what's up YouTube? Welcome to R3 Garage. If y'all tuning in, I hope y'all consider subscribing, like the video, share with your friends, family, or whoever. On today, we're going to be looking at this 2021 Audi Rs 7 Performance 4-door sedan. As y'all can see, it has been driven 46,300 miles. We got automatic transmission, exterior is gray, interior is black. Fuel type is gasoline, and the vehicle is paid off. Now, it does have a clean title, of course. Seller's description. Let's look at the seller's description. If the post is up, then it's for sale. No trades. It's been a great car, very reliable, zero issues with it. Has factory air ride suspension, soft closing doors, heads up display, very quick for a sedan, completely stock, other than wheels, windows tint, and some carbon fiber add-ons. Can provide VIN upon request. Man. This is my favorite Audi right here. This is my favorite Audi. I had seen one about a week or two ago. I was like up in North Georgia area, and I seen one that was all black, and like, damn, that thing looked wicked. It looked so wicked. And I came across this on the Facebook Marketplace, and I was like, damn. If anything, this is an Audi I would get or need to get at some point of my life. But man, this thing right here is bad. Anyway, well, let's look at it. So we got some aftermarket wheels on here. We do got like a dark shadow gray look like, but it's just gray. But yeah, front end is nice. I always loved Audi's front end and all that. I always loved them. We got another side profile. I love how these wheels are. It matched the car very well and all that. It really does. We got another side profile. Me, honestly, I would probably put like a roof rack system on here. That's just my taste and all that. Or I'd probably just leave it how it is and all that. I believe this is like gotta be like the most slept on. Usually a lot of people get the AMGs. Anyway, this is RS7 badge. Got another look right here. This is the display. And you can see the power, the torque. Got your rev limiter on here. Got your tire pressures. Okay. Like it's possibly good on gas also. This is the exterior. Well, not exterior. This is the interior. This is the door. Like we got the window tint, of course. We got some carbon fiber accents. We got some Alcantara. And then we just got regular leather and all that. Back seats. Back door panels. Same concept. I always love the design of these Audis. I love them. Then we got the RS. Inbreaded. That's not a word, inbreaded. We got the RS in the seats. Ooh, look like we got a lot of trunk space. It look like they put this thing in 0.5. Look like we got a hell of trunk space. And you can sleep right here. You can put a whole mattress back here if you want to. You can sleep back here, man. It's another look. Another look. Another look. I love this. I love the steering wheel. I love that flat base at the bottom. Love it. Let's look at these other pictures. Oh, yeah. I love that gloss panel right there. The mats and all that looks really pretty cool. Like, I love this hexagon. This is what they have like in the Lamborghinis and all that. That hexagon pattern. And if y'all don't know, Audi and Lamborghini is like literally about the same. They literally share like the same parts. This is the front side. Well, this is the engine bay. Looks pretty cool. Looks really freaking cool. Got another profile look. Got a closer look in the interior. Got the sunroof. Yeah, now look. Anyway, guys, it's gonna be pretty much it. This guy want 80 grand for it. Y'all let me know if it's worth it. I don't think it's worth it. I mean, you got the styling. You got the styling of the car. You got the speed. And you got the luxury. Because it's comfortable inside. It looks comfortable inside. So this would be like a cool little car to have. But y'all let me know. The wheels look good. The wheels really complement this car. Like, it really does. But anyway, guys, it's going to be pretty much it. I'm just, sharing some vehicles that I would normally go for. Usually when I do these vehicles, I see them in real life, up close in person. Or they always just been my favorite, like the car manufacturer, etc. And this is like potentially something I will look to get potentially. But yeah, that's gonna be pretty much it. Anyway, let's look at some more cars and see y'all in the next. Peace. Hope you have a good one.